Hello, good morning friends. Let us solve the Cambridge primary checkpoint paper. This is for April 2025. So the first one is the decimal addition. For this, you have to just remember to write ones at a ones place, tens at a tens place, thousand at a thousand place, and just add the number. So the first answer is 1.023. Write a fraction in the simplest form. So for this, what you have to do? Find the common divisible. So here both the numbers are divisible by 7. So 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 3 is 21. Let us move on to the next question. So here the next question is addition again and for decimal. So remember to write 100, tens, ones at a normal place. Same we are going to write down. Don't miss it out any place value. If you miss out any place value, your addition will be incorrect. So just add the number and you got the answer is 112.115. It's a simple one. If you write the proper place value, you will get the correct answer. So next question is a baker uses 1355 kgs of flour every day. Calculate how much flour the baker uses in 7 days. So the question is giving you every day and asking you to calculate for 7 days. So simply multiply the numbers. So 1355 multiplied by 7. So 7 times 5 is 35, 5, 3 carry over, again 7 times 5 is 35 plus 3 is 38. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So answer is 9485 kg of flour. Let's move on to the next question. So here is a part of sequence. The sequence continues in the same way. So first of all, what you have to do in sequence, find the difference. So 27 minus 34 you will get minus 7. 20 minus 27 you will get minus 7. And the question is asking you to write the number in the sequence that is between minus 10 and minus 20. So simply you are going to keep on minus 7 and you have to find the number that is coming in between minus 10 and minus 20. So 20 minus 7 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8 and minus 8 minus 7 is minus 15. So here we got the answer is minus 15.